Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Cristina. Today I have a jackpot haul from Dollar Tree that I want to share with you. So let's go ahead and check out what I was able to snag up. I'm excited for this haul because I got a lot of goodies. The first thing I want to share with you is this gift tissue. I did get the pink and the hearts. I got this for some swaps because I'm entering a few Valentine swap. And then I also hauled the red one with the hearts on there. So I got those. Now the next thing I'll haul it is, look at all these stickers I was able to get. I was able to find these. These are newly stocked. Let me show you the ones that I got. And I got this one here, which is the Be Mine. It does have some love. I like the lock and key that's right there. Real nice. Sweetheart Kiss. It's a rainbow XOXO. Look at that. That is real nice. So I got two of those. And then I did get this doggy one. Look at that. They got the doggies with the glasses. And we got the gumball machine. I love the air balloon there. Love, love, love. Even the rainbow. That is real nice. I like that one too. And then also hauled this glitter one. This one has 39 pieces. Look at all the cuteness in that. So these are like love letters almost. You got the mailbox, you got a banner, the mailbox, love, another heart, lock, cuteness. And then I also hauled this dinosaur cutie. Look at that. Love, love, love. How cute are these? That is super cute. This is really, love it. We got some rings on here, all kinds of dinosaurs, and we got some sentiments. We got that one. I also hauled this one here, which is on, it's another glitter one. This one has 40 pieces. The dinosaur had 39. And the puffy ones, the heart had 18, and the doggies had 20. This one has 40. And look at all the cuteness on this one. Real pretty. Love it. I did get the metallic one. This one has 45. This one has some sentiments on there. It even has a stamp. Love it. Love all this cuteness. Okay, this one here is a clear one, which is hearts. This one has 12 pieces. So I thought that was beautiful. Love, love, love. Oh, check out the, I got these because the dogs have the googly eyes. So I was able to get my hands on this one. And this one has 34 pieces on there. Love it. And then I got another foiling one. And this one has hearts. I love the little couple. It's right there. The tic-tac-toe. Love it. Beautiful. And then I also have these hearts, puffy ones. Wow, look at that. This one has 15 pieces. Let me put it this way. The package is upside down. And these ones have little glitter, like sequins mix in there. Love it. Real nice. Love those. And then I also have this one, which has 16. And this is another animal one. And it also has glitter within that. So you got XO. You have the llama, the panda, the bear, the horse, or is that a unicorn? Yeah, unicorn. It's the love. Oh my goodness, super cute. And then I got another one of the hearts. And then this one, I think they have 4 different kinds, but I like these two. So these were the other 2 that I have. Another doggy one, Valentine Paws. Love that. And then I got a love one. and these ones are dimensional. And this one has 25. This one has 20, and the hearts had 15. So I got those. And then I also had some sequins confetti. So when I went there the first time, I did not see the purple ones with the pink. I did see the pink ones. So I actually hauled some more of these. I did get 2 of the purple. And I want to use that in packaging. I do have a pink one. I was also able to get my hands on this recordable greeting. So I got this one in pink. That's the first time seeing it. I didn't see it last year, so I'm glad I was able to get it this year. I also hauled some notepads, and this comes with 3. Oh, actually these come with 8. Yeah, 8 notepads, and I want to use this for some swaps. So I really like this also. They had different pictures, but that's the one I like. I love my pinks. And I got my hands on some small thin ribbon. So I got these 3 here. Look at those. Those got the hearts cutouts on them. So I got the red, the light pink, and the dark pink of that one. And then this one here, I got the red and white hearts. I got this one, it's a red ribbon with the pink and white hearts. And then I got SOXO. I got those. Another thing I hauled are these mini bubbles. Now I want to use them for sequence mix. Actually, even the mini bubbles would be cute too, even gift. So I might use them for both. But I do have those also. And then I did haul some of these bags here. Now I want to use it for gifting. Okay, let me use it for swaps. So I did get the red one, the XOXO. And I did get the pink, love. The other one that I saw said stuff, but I didn't want that one. So I got those. And then I did get the fabric gift bags, which has XOXO. And you can see that, and that's red. And this one does come 3 to a pack, so I would get my hands on those ones. And I also found the other gift, the fabric bag, which says my Happy Valentine's Day, and that is in pink. Look at that, real nice. I like that. So I got that one. And then another. Some more goodies I found versus lip gloss keychain with the pom-pom. I'm doing a pocket letter, so I want to attach one of those for that and another one for gifting. But yeah, I saw that and I thought that would be cute to gift. Yeah, I did get 2 more of the pink one at the other Dollar Tree. Now this one here, these 2 ribbons are from the Easter, and one of them is a sheer pink. Another one is like burlap but in blue. So I got those, and they're 3 yards each. And then this one is from the Valentine, and it's a lighter pink from this one. So I got that. Another thing I was able to find were these cupcake, well, they're called snack cups, and they come 40 piece. And I got this one here because, of course, I love pink. So it has XOXO, and the other one is a pink and white stripe. So I got that one. And then I also got the red one here. Love this too. So this one says full of love, and this is just different types of hearts. So I got this, I'm not using it for cupcakes, but maybe for gifting, to put a little bag in there and then put some goodies in there like beads or charms and stuff like that. But yeah, that's why I got that one. Now let me show you what I was able to get, and I'm happy that I was able to get it because this is probably the only real decor that I wanted from Dollar Tree, but I did get my cha-ching, my little pink Valentine tree. Oh my god, my goodness, love, love, love. Look at that, so pretty. And it does come with the light down here, but you do have to put a battery. So yeah, so I got that one, and I'm excited that I got that one. And then the other thing I was able to get is a matching house. Love it. Love, love, love. So I'm glad I was able to get this one also. Look at that. I just love pink. Pink is it. And that is all for my haul that I wanted to share with you. Yeah, so I was able to go and get some goodies. Now my Dollar General still has not been stocked. They still have a lot of Christmas at 50% off, which I don't want to buy any more Christmas. But yeah, this is my haul that I got so far from Dollar Tree. I'm excited that I was able to get my pink tree and my house. And actually, the stickers were amazing. I might go back and get a few more so I could gift. But yeah, make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment below and let me know which one is your favorite. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.